Hi, I'm Eleanor and I'm a visual artist. How I create my artwork, I might imagine it, I might dream it, I might use a dictionary word, and I go through and do research to find what I like about the artwork and maybe if it has a meaning to it, and I express it in my work. My style that I do is abstract with intricate detail. I get influenced by many artists around the world, past and present, or anything that's happening around the world. The most people that inspire me would be Picasso for his form of work, Klimt for his beauty and his balance, and I love Frida for her expression of in-the-moment feel. People who would like my work would be anyone who likes fine detail or who loves black and white, but I think you would fall in love with it anyway because my black and whites are almost looking like colour, but they're not. What I like the most about my work is that I can dream in black and white. So anything that you see in modern day as being colourful, I can create it into my vision, which I love is black and white. My name is Eleanor and I'm a raw artist.